Hello all, welcome to Vinyl Designs. Today we bought few more irresistible unique design patterns in Kanjivaram silk sarees. Earlier we have produced two more videos. If you haven't checked them yet, please check the description. We have given the links there. This is the part 3 of the unique designs in Kanjivarams we have exclusively from Million Designs. In case you are new to our channel, please click the subscribe button below and click the bell icon to get a notification as and when we upload a new video. Also, if you want to check our entire collection, please log into our website www.million-designs.com. We have pure Kanjivaram sarees and we procure directly from the weavers of Kanchi. Now, without wasting any time, let's get started. Our first saree today is in golden yellow shade. It has got unique design patterns woven with silver and gold zari all through the body. This is a borderless Kanjivaram style and a unique pallu too in checks pattern. Checkboard pattern, actually very new and very trendy. The price of this saree is 8,980. Next comes a beautiful bright candy pink with purple combination. It has got an aesthetic border in floral weaving, very new and very trendy. The price of this saree is 11,500. Our next saree is in pista green. It has got a unique border in silver zari woven. Also, there are peacock booties in golden zari all through the body. You can see the pattern of the border and the pallu here. The price of this saree is 12,800. There is another pastel color in the same design that comes in the grey. This is that grey color combination with the same design pattern. Beautiful antique zari weaving of peacock booties on the body and silver zari weaving of peacocks on the border. Very unique design pattern. The price of the saree is 12,900. Please note, in the pista green shade golden zari booties were woven and in this grey shade antique zari weaving is woven, which is complemented by silver zari. Our next saree is this fabulous purple with contrast pallu and blouse. It has got a lovely design in the border complemented with silver and golden zari booties on the body. The price of this saree is 12,800. The same design we have another pastel color beige. An elegant combination with a beautiful borders. It has got a bavanchi border with a golden zari woven on the other side of the body. That's the grand pallu and the same contrast color in the blouse piece. The price of this saree too is 12,800. Next we have three very bright beautiful colors in half and half design, red, pink and orange. A very nice design pattern woven on the bottom side of the saree, which is almost half of the saree, and the other half will have zari booties woven. It has got a green piping on either side of the saree. That's the blouse piece. And it has got rich grand woven pallu as shown in this pic. The price of this saree is 11,900. The another color in this saree is this dark pink. Same design, rich golden zari woven on the saree. It comes in the single color. So fabulous, bright colors. That's the blouse piece. And grand rich pallu. Another beautiful color orange. Yeah, this is the one. It is a dual shade pinkish orange. The shimmering gold zari buttas and the golden zari border woven on these three bright colors simply look very beautiful and authentic. Next we have another elegant pastel colors. One is in off-white and another one is in beige. Very light shades and elegant. It has got beautiful shimmering silver zari woven. Half and half style again. The price of this saree is 12,600. Next one is slightly darker shade than this. This is the one. It is light beige shade with the same design and the same silver zari woven. Both are pastel colors and simply look very elegant when draped. That's the pallu. The price of this saree is 12,600. Our next saree is in this lovely lavender shade. Another beautiful and unique border and bavanchi border in golden zari on the other side of the saree. It has got zari booties that runs all through the body, and this is the beautiful border, very unique. The price of this saree is 12,500. There is another color in the same design pattern, bright shade, orangish pink with golden zari woven. The previous one is silver zari and this comes with golden zari. Let's take a closer look of this design. So beautiful, impeccably woven. The price of this saree is 12,500. Our next saree is in this pink shade, a lovely color with shimmering gold zari pattern woven. That's the border. Bottom side has unique border and the upper part of the saree gets the bavanchi border. That's the blouse piece. All the sarees in this video are very unique and contemporary designs just came to the market. The price of this saree is 11,900. Our next saree is a unique floral design pattern woven on the dark pink. It has got an orange piping on both sides of the saree. A very unique pattern woven. Traditional borders on either side of the saree. This is how the saree looks in the open pic. The price of the saree is 18,200. Our next saree is another unique piece with off-white and teal blue combination. It has got pink and green combination motifs that is woven all through the body. A new design, traditional yet contemporary. The zari borders on either side of the sarees gives a traditional look and the body is unique pattern gives the contemporary look. The saree is 12,500. Next is shimmering gold in teal blue. The whole saree has got shimmering weaving all through the body but no motifs. Bavanchi borders on either side of the saree and the price of the saree is 13,000. There is another color in the same design, dark pinkish red color. The shimmering golden zari looks fabulous all through the body. Though there are no motifs, still it looks so elegant and beautiful. The price of this saree is 13,000. Our next saree is this gorgeous lavender in shimmering gold combination. It has got rich woven pattern all through the body and grand pallu too. A unique design and a beautiful saree. That's the pallu, and the price of this saree is 13,000. Next comes our last saree in today's unique collection, golden combination with zari jacquard weaving all through the body and bawanji borders on either side of the saree. Looks so good in bridal collection. Very grand. The price of this saree is 13,600 and the zari used is 2 grams pure gold antique zari. Hope you have enjoyed our collection today. Stay tuned for more latest Kanjivaram sarees in tomorrow's video. Thank you.